Hi, welcome to the course Learn Unit Testing with NUnit and C#. I'm Elias Fofanov, aka Engineer Spock from engineerspock.com, and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career as a postgraduate student participating in Microsoft Imaging Cup contest. I've been working with .NET platform since 2003. I've been professionally architecting and implementing software for nearly 7 years, primarily based on .NET platform. I am passionate about building rich and powerful applications using modern technologies. I'm a certified specialist in Windows applications and service communication applications by Microsoft. And here is my teaching approach. No fluff, no ranting, no beating the air, I sting your time. The course material is succinct, yet comprehensive. All important concepts are covered. Particularly important topics are covered in depth. For absolute beginners, I offer my help on Skype absolutely free if requested. Take this course and you'll be satisfied. Today, unit testing is the absolutely required skill which is required from any professional developer. Companies expect from developers to know how to write unit tests, including all the most important topics such as mocking and test-driven development, TDD in short. This course is all about writing effective unit tests using C# programming language and NUnit as a unit testing framework. Along the way, we will learn the concepts related to unit testing. This course doesn't cover all the features of an unit. This course is way more interesting. Learning unit testing puts a powerful and very useful tool at your fingertips. Being familiar with unit testing, you can write reliable and maintainable applications. It is very hard to lead a project which is not covered by unit tests. This course is primarily aimed at beginner developers, and some experience in C# programming is required. This course provides a solid theoretical base reinforced by tons of practical material. We start with basics of unit testing. What is a unit test? What unit testing frameworks exist? How to run and debug unit tests? After getting acquainted with the basics, we will get to the NUnit framework. Here you will learn how to install the framework and set up the runner. Then you will learn the basics of assertions and arrange-act-assert triplet. Other key features of a unit are also covered. How to run tests from the console, set up and tear down unit tests, parameterized tests, and grouping and ignoring, and other features. Practicing writing of unit tests, it's impossible to avoid applying mocks. I like the word test double more in general. By the way, you'll learn what is the difference between the following notions: test double, fake, dummy, stub, mock. You'll learn how to write test doubles manually. You'll also see a simple example of how to use a mocking framework for using mocks. I'll use and substitute mocking framework for demonstration. At the end of the section dedicated to mocks, you'll get acquainted with two key approaches to unit testing: Classic or Detroit School and London School of Unit Testing. You'll separately learn the basics of test-driven development. It is hard to imagine a modern professional developer who doesn't know about TDD, so you'll learn what it is and what it is about. You'll see the red-green refactor triplet in action. I couldn't complete the course avoiding the best practices of writing unit tests. You'll learn the basic concepts of the modern approach to unit testing called pragmatic unit testing. You'll see what problems static classes and singletons bring regarding the unit testing. They make code harder to unit test. After that, you'll learn the problem of extracting interfaces just for the sake of introducing schemes for injecting dependencies. You'll know should you write unit tests for trivial code. You'll learn a lot more in this course. So, in short, the course covers the following topics: basic notions of unit testing, NUnit and its basic features, test doubles including fakes, dummies, stubs, spies and mocks, how to write manual test doubles and how to use a mocking framework, TDD, red-green refactor triplet, and a great number of best practices of writing unit tests. In the end, we will recap what you have learned, and you'll try to understand where you have to go further with the intention to master your skills. I'll be glad to see you in the course. Enroll and start learning the unit testing within NUnit and C#.